Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about Bosch washing machine stuck on 1 minute. Are you having trouble that your Bosch washing machine is stuck on 1 minute and not moving on? Don't worry, just follow these easy steps. 1. Reset the machine. One common fix for this issue is to reset the washing machine. Users have reported success by resetting the machine. To reset your machine, press and hold the start button for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. 2. Check for earth leak. The problem could be related to an earth leakage issue associated with the main drive motor. This can affect Bosch washing machines, washer dryers as well as models from Neff and Siemens. It is advised to use an insulation tester to identify any faults in the motor and check the PCB for potential issue. 3. Clean the filter. In some cases, a simple solutions like cleaning the filter can resolve the problem. A user shared an experience where cleaning the filter solved the issue of the washing machine being stuck on 1 minute countdown timer. 4. Inspect the drain pump. If the machine is not draining properly, it could lead to the cycle getting stuck. Cleaning out the pump and drain hoses thoroughly might help resolve the issue. Even after doing all these, if you are still not able to fix the issue, it's better that you contact Bosch customer service.